My friend.
We have to get through this, okay?
Okay, I know.
Okay.
That
Let's relax.
No.
On April 20th, 2023, driver Erica caused a 3-vehicle accident. Erica's car, the car in front of her, the bus. Police determined that Erica did not have a valid driver's license. After the accident, Officer Mendez initiated an investigation for suspected driving under the influence DUI. Erica refused to cooperate, barricaded herself in her car, refused a sobriety test, and resisted arrest.
Literally, like right there.
You have your life insurance on you?
So it just sits there.
All right, can you grab it?
No, this one, no.
Give me that second today. We just came from one.
But this, yeah, she's roughing it. She did get out. Yeah, I know. And she did get out, and she was like, she basically was like standing up holding on to me.
What happened here?
What's the year?
You have your driver's license?
Did you get her ID or?
Not yet. I'm still waiting on her. Yeah, but in a minute. Let's deal with the... What happened here? Hey, Lindsay, just stay with her.
Ela bateu.
Look, ma'am, do you speak English?
No.
Hey, do any of you guys speak Spanish? Do they speak Spanish?
Yeah.
So I'm guessing, ask them if the bus was stopped and they were stopped behind it.
You guys speak Spanish or Portuguese?
Português. Português and
But you can
Spanish.
speak Spanish, okay.
So ask them what happened. Was the bus stopped?
Nosotros estábamos atrás de claro, y ella nos pegó.
So she hit rear end them and they pushed them into them.
Was the bus stopped?
Was the bus stopped?
Estaba parado.
Or was the bus moving?
Bem devagar. Lento.
Okay, he was going slow, so maybe he had just pulled off.
So the bus was slow. How
Yes.
fast were they going?
How fast were you? ¿A qué estaba manejando? Sí, pero ¿a cuánto? 45, 40,
Menos.
30? Menos, like 25.
So
They're going like 25.
and they're in the right lane.
Yes.
Fala para que eu pensei que ele ia parar e eu mantive lento. Ella pensó que él iría parar.
Yeah, I understood. So they thought that the bus was going to stop.
Yeah.
So then they slowed down, and that's when the car slammed into them, and they slammed into the bus.
All right. Okay. And she hasn't gotten out of the car yet?
She got out while I was there because I told her to get out, and she
Ask them if
Wow.
anyone else is in the car with her.
¿Alguien estaba en el carro con ella o estaba sola?
Con ella
No, sola?
Creo que estaba
They didn't
sola.
see anybody out there. She was by herself. Licencia?
Got the registration, no license.
She has no license?
Registration for her.
Huh?
She doesn't have a driver's license.
She smashed into this and then go to the guardrail.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Hi. I'm Officer Mendez. Police. How you doing?
she gonna provide you her license? Did you yell yet?
You should give you a license. You're fine. All right. Can you tell me what happened? Alright. How? What happened?
Ma'am, let her. Ma'am, we're over here.
I'm not talking.
No worries. Talk to me. All right.
No, I'm totally not.
That's fine. She stepped away. What's your name again? Excuse me. What's your name? Ma'am. Hello. You need some help?
Pull her out.
Here, come outside real quick.
No.
Step out of the car. Listen.
No.
We're done with the traffic crash.
No.
I'm conducting a DUI investigation.
That's fine. That's fine.
Can you cooperate with my investigation?
No, I'm not getting out of the
Go
car.
ahead and step out of the car for me, okay?
No.
All Alright, I'm gonna pull you out of the car if you don't step out of the car. Understand?
Should I video this?
I'm videoing it, okay? Go ahead and step out of the car.
Ma'am, come out of the car.
Don't.
The vehicle has to get towed.
Don't tense.
Ma'am, your airbags went off. The vehicle has to be towed. Come out of the car.
You have to come out of the car, okay?
Step out of the car.
Just step out. I'm just trying to help you because I don't want you to reach over and grab something.
Please do not.
I'm gonna let go of you, but you're gonna come out. Is that good?
Okay.
Alright.
Please
Come
don't.
out.
Come on.
Ma'am, don't start reaching into your car.
Let's go. Let's go. Or I'm gonna pull you out. We're out of options now.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle like you were earlier.
Come on.
What?
Get out of the vehicle like you were earlier.
Listen.
Step out of the car.
Listen. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Stop. Step out of your car.
She's distracting me too much.
Okay.
Tell her to stop.
You don't have any options.
Lindsay,
Okay. I need to pause. Okay.
ma'am,
I'm not.
please step out of your car.
No.
The vehicle is gonna be towed. You have to come out of the vehicle.
I'm fine with that, but
You can't be in the car when it's getting towed.
Okay. I need to call someone.
Alright, you'll have an opportunity for that in a
No,
second.
no,
But you have to
listen.
come out. You don't
No,
have the option to
no.
stay in the car.
No, officer.
Hey,
Nope.
Arthur, your Miranda.
Stop.
Stop. Relax.
No.
You were calm before. Relax. I spoke to you earlier. You were very calm.
Yeah, I
Let's
was.
get back to that. Let's get back to that how we were before. 'Cause I don't know why you're getting all hyper and some of that. All right.
Can we pick it back up, please? Nice and calm, right? Listen, like I explained, we're done with the crash. I'm investigating for possible driving under the influence. You understand that? Before I do that, I gotta read you some things, okay? I just need a yes or no. You understand? Alright. I'm required to warn you before you make any statements. Listen to me. Can you pay attention? Give me a second. Ma'am, before you make any statements, you have the following constitutional rights.
I know I have the right to.
Alright, I just gotta
know.
explain it to you, okay? And
I
this is
know.
only-
Ma'am,
I
just listen
know.
to him.
No,
This is only to protect you.
I want to.
Okay.
I want.
Just listen to what he has to
No.
say.
This
No.
is only to protect
No.
you. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. You understand? You understand?
Hey, go on the passenger side. Make sure she's not reaching for nothing.
You have the right to remain silent and not answer
No.
any questions. You understand that?
No.
What don't you understand about it?
I would like to reach my
We
friend.
have to get through this, okay?
Okay,
You're gonna
I
have-
know
Okay.
that you're
Relax.
good.
Let's relax. Let's relax.
No,
We're just talking.
no,
We're just
no.
talking right now.
No, we're not talking.
We are talking. I'm trying to have a conversation with you. But I need to read this to you so you're protected.
Listen.
You understand that?
And I know what I'm projecting.
Without me reading your rights, you don't have these constitutional. I need to know that you understand you have these constitutional rights, okay?
Well, I know that I have these constitutional
Look, you have the right to remain
rights.
silent and not answer any questions. You
I
understand
don't
that?
agree with that. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that.
I just need to know that you understand with it.
I don't agree with
Any
that.
statement
I
you
don't
make-
agree with that.
Ma'am, just listen to him.
Must be freely and
I
voluntarily.
don't agree with it.
Okay, just listen.
I don't
You have the
agree
right
with
to the
it.
presence and representation
I don't
of a lawyer
agree with it.
of your choice before you make any statement and during any
I
question.
don't agree with it.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer. If you make any statements and during any questioning. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can be and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights as I have read them to you?
No.
Are you just saying no because you don't agree with it or you don't understand them? Do you understand the rights?
No.
What don't you understand?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
I don't understand.
I need a
I don't
explanation
understand.
so I can explain.
I
it to
don't
you.
understand.
I want to be able
I
to
don't
explain.
understand.
Let's bring it down.
Don't put your fucking eyes up. I don't give
I
a
want to
fuck.
be able to look at you.
You're not
What?
looking at me.
What don't you understand so I can help you understand it?
Give me my free will.
You understand your rights then?
No.
How am I going to get help you to understand me?
Give me my boyfriend.
All right, you're going to have an opportunity to talk to him.
No, I need them. I need them right now.
Okay?
No.
Are you ready to come out of the car so we can continue talking?
No. Like, I know what this crap is.
Is this car in your name?
Yes.
You're the registered owner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's your name?
Erica.
Erica. Okay, Erica. I'm Officer Mendez, okay? Like I explained to you. Erica, I'm just trying to have a conversation
I
with you.
don't care what your name is. I'm not trying to go to jail. Like,
Why would you go to jail?
I'm not trying to. I'm not.
Why would you go to jail?
I'm not trying.
What is it? Did you have any drinks today? Did you have anything to drink today? Before you drove? Erica,
What?
did you have any drinks today?
No, I'm annoyed.
Why are you
I'm
annoyed?
super fucking
Well,
annoyed.
we have to go through this process, okay?
Why? Why?
I'm not going to be able to go anywhere because I'm investigating for driving under the influence.
Well,
okay? After the
investigate.
crash. That's what I'm trying to do, but you're not helping me.
What do you want from me?
Yeah, you have any drinks today?
No.
Okay.
What do you want? What else do you want?
Have any medical conditions that you suffer from?
No.
All right. Did you hit your head at all today?
No.
Okay. Would there be a reason why you hit the car in front of you?
No.
Do you want to conduct some field sobriety exercises for me so that I can determine whether you are under the influence of
No,
anything?
sir.
You don't want to do them?
No.
All right. If you don't do them, then I have to end my investigation based on the information that I have right now. With that in mind, would you want to do the field sobriety exercises? You don't want to do them? All right. You're going to be placed under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence.
Stop!
Okay?
Stop!
Come out of the car.
Listen, you're
Come out of the car
you
now.
have to come out.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
All right.
What is wrong with you people? Stop! Stop! Stop!
Don't tense.
Stop!
Relax, relax. Let's sit down, Erica. Sit down. Listen, like I explained, under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence.
Okay, that's fine. Stop!
Yeah, let me do it right here.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Right here. Right there. Right now, before you start.
Just gonna pat you down, Eric.
Get this off my
Do you have a license in the car?
Get this off
Can't
my
find it. Been looking for the whole time.
Erica, relax for me. This isn't helping, okay?
Do you have anything on you, Erica, that's gonna poke or stick me?
Stop it. Don't do that. You're gonna get another charge.
I don't give a
Good?
Follow you to bat?
Yeah.
Let's take a trip.
Erica was charged with DUI and assault on a police officer, felony. After appearing in court, she was released on $1,000 bail. On May 4, 2023, the prosecutor dropped the felony charge, leaving only the misdemeanor DUI charge, and sent the case back to the district court. In August 2023, Erica's bail was released.